Turn a wheel, flip a switch, or push a button and you can expect some kind of reaction. Mapping refers to the relationship between the action and their desired effects. Good mapping is when the outcome corresponds to your expectation. These two stovetops are examples of good and bad mapping. On the good one, each knob clearly relates to the corresponding burner. The mapping is highly user-friendly. Not so on the other stovetop, whose knob to burner relationships are unclear. Mapping can also be a function of behavior. Turning a steering wheel left should turn a car left. And mapping is meaning. We all know what an on-off icon does. You can also learn mapping when something is not necessarily intuitive or natural, but the action becomes expected through repeated interactions with a product or similar products. Like the connection between twisting and extending a pen nib, the twist movement doesn't necessarily relate to the inline movement of the extension of the nib, but we've come to learn to expect it. Of course, conventions change depending on the culture and circumstance. In England and Australia, people flip a light switch down to turn it on. And mapping gets tricky when you're designing for a global audience. Designers either need to find universal behaviors or invent new and intuitive gestures that transcend cultural norms. When it's done well, mapping creates a powerful connection between the product and its user.